Yan guys, for our 4th day therapy. Yan. Ito niyo po yung kanyang balancing, medyo na-improve. Ikot ka pa. Okay. Yan. Relax. So this is a great improvement. Yan. Sige pare, lakad mo din, tandaan. Improvement of Louis Lord. Yan. Po sa San Nicolas. Yan. San Nicolas, Santa Ana, Pampanga. Yan. Yung kanyang great balancing. Yan guys. This is the great improvement for 4 days therapy, speedy recovery for stroke patients.
Bless the